Hi ladies, good morning. I'm Andonis. I'm here in my studio in Greece, and if you're watching this video, that means you are in webinar with Andonis. Let's do something online. Let's do webinars. Okay, hopefully you enjoy what I'm doing.
Hi there, my name is Belinda Basson and I love to create. I have created a series of free classes for you called Crystal Resin. They're broken down.
Do you believe in Wonderland? My name is Radovan Kianica. Come with me to this magic scrapbooking world. I have special key and...
Hola a todos, bienvenidos a Stamperia Academy. Yo soy Cristina Radovan y hoy os traigo un vídeo de scrapbooking en el que vamos a hacer un proyecto.
Hola chicas, soy Dorota Kotowicz, soy de Polonia y estoy en mi casa, en mi taller. Hello everyone, my name is Farrell Taylor and I'm coming to you from Perth, Western Australia.
Hola, hola, hoy os traigo este bonito curso para hacer esta cestita.
Benvenuti a questo nuovo corso sui tag natalizi con la decorazione dei gessi.
Hello my crafty friends, it's Vicky Papagiannou here and welcome to my craft room. Today we are going to have a super fun class. We are going to make an art journal here in the Academy for Stamperia.
Hola, soy Silvia Gavito de Montevideo, Uruguay. Les quiero presentar mi primer proyecto que realicé para la Academia de Stamperia. Es un álbum para fotos realizado con la colección.
Ciao, sono Monica Marianini. Benvenuti nel mio spazio creativo.